It was all pretty ugly. The thing that I like, there was a lot of like earned vitriol. Like insurance companies, some are better than others. Plenty play games, even break the law to try to avoid paying. We have a cruel and broken system. Like that's what we have. Like this guy, well compensated, is a tool of a broken system. This insurance company exists and benefits from a broken system. And like that to me, like I want to have a debate about the broken healthcare system and why we have this ridiculous system where half the people get insurance through work, which creates these incredibly convoluted and broken incentives, where we have publicly traded companies that exist to create a difference between how much they pay out in health benefits versus how much they recoup in premiums. Like their job is to maximize that differential. We built a whole system around it. That's fucking stupid. That is terrible. That causes all kinds of harms. But like the idea that we're going to associate the murder of a health executive with Medicare for all, to me, does not bring us anywhere closer to Medicare for all. We're not going to shoot our way to universal health care. And it ends up becoming a kind of vicious and negative and divisive debate, a debate we can win without kind of needing to resort to this sort of like ridiculous kind of performative, I don't know what you'd call it, theatrics, heroics, I don't know.
Yeah. People can make jokes. The reason I don't make them is because I just think that people all have families and, let's think about it on a human level. And then also, deciding that we're tacitly supporting targeted assassination is the slipperiest of slopes in my view. And I saw people saying, well, United Healthcare is responsible for more deaths because they deny claims. Well, what if someone decides that rationale applies to abortion rights groups and goes after their CEOs, right? And I think copycat violence is a real problem. So let's just not celebrate this stuff. That said, everyone has had a terrible interaction with an insurance company. Every single person. The insurers reject 1 in 7 claims for treatment. ProPublica had a really long investigation in February of 2023 that's worth reading about United Healthcare. It's one story about the treatment of a patient who finally found an effective treatment for a debilitating disease that was wildly expensive. He was denied. His family then sued, and they got access to all these recorded calls and documents and things that just outlined the way United Healthcare put profits ahead of his healthcare or anything else and lied and did all these horrible things. So, but I think the net effect of this incident is probably going to be that a bunch of corporate CEOs getting armed security and their customers pay for it. And that's, the frustrating part.